VS Code is consistently elected as the most loved IDE by developers. In this video, we will try to understand what makes VS Code special and highlight some difference between VS Code and other popular IDEs. Hi, my name is Kevin. I make videos on tech behind products and software engineering, so like the video and subscribe for more. Developers usually work on large projects with hundreds of files, modules or components, so we need a quick way to navigate the source code, and VS Code navigation system is outstanding. It's possible to search for files within the project with partial or full name. The search feature for content within files has the option to use regex and to include or exclude some file in the project. You can also quickly jump to the definition of a method, class or interface with Ctrl-click. Renaming file automatically update import path in the project. In the same way, the refactoring option helps renaming symbols across files. Other features like code folding help hide block of code or comment, improving readability, and the format feature automatically do code indentation and formatting. For web developers, IntelliSense for TypeScript, HTML, and CSS come out of the box, helping with code completion, parameter info, and more. The magic of IntelliSense in VS Code is not limited to just web development. Pretty much every programming language is supported thanks to the ever-growing number of extensions built by the community. The VS Code extension library is huge, and there is an extension for everything you may need. Do you want IntelliSense for C#, C++ or Python? Just use the extension type to find it. There is an extension for real-time code collaboration, to make HTTP calls, to start a Pomodoro timer, to use emoji in your code, or even to change your background picture. Some extensions are built by certified publishers, so you know they work as advertised. Let me know in the comment what's your favorite extension. Extensions help expand the built-in capabilities of VS Code, but they're not required to have a good development experience. One thing that VS Code does particularly well is the support for Git. Git is the most popular version control system and is a critical part of most developer workflow. VS Code has integrated Git by default, so you can see all file change in the source control tab. You can see side-by-side code change with a simple click. You can stage file or reset change. You can stash code and check out branch quickly. You can commit and push with a click instead of typing commands. Solving merge conflict with VS Code is a breeze. It's easy to see what created the conflict. You can take action to choose what to keep or accept both change, and VS Code will automatically remove the conflict token. It's the best merge tool I've ever tried. I don't know if there is something better that exists, so feel free to let me know if I'm wrong. All the previous features mentioned are awesome, but most people, including myself, would have not considered VS Code if it was not for the pricing. My first IDE was Visual Studio. I use it to program in C++. It's a very powerful IDE, but it always felt slow. So when I used VS Code for the first time, it felt extremely light and fast, and the interface was less intimidating in my opinion. Combine that with the free license, and the result is an IDE that is very appealing to non-professional programmers. On top of that, people learning to code outside of the university usually start with front-end development, so VS Code is probably the best option. I was not able to go over all the amazing features of VS Code in this short video, so let me know in the comment what do you like about VS Code and what do you think is the best alternative. You can watch this video to understand why Git is so popular. Thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.